So the debt management office just released the saving bond subscription for the month of May, and here are everything you need to know for you to invest in this investment opportunity. There are some persons that don't really know how to go about investing. There are some that have created an account on Investor 2.0 and they are yet to receive the link so that they can subscribe for this saving bond opportunity. In today's video, I'll be showing you everything you need to know and how to go about investing. I'll be dropping a link in the comment section so that once you click on it, you can go about investing in the saving bond opportunity. But before you click on the link, you must make sure that you are already registered in Investor 2.0. I'm here to help those that are still looking for a link because of the opportunity is starting today, being Monday through Friday the 9th of May, and the window will be closed. I'll be telling you everything you need to know before you go about investing. So what's saving bond all about? This is you borrowing the federal government of Nigeria some money and they are going to pay some interest annually. For this month, the saving bond opportunity for the 2-year tenure is 16% and the saving bond opportunity for a 3-year tenure is 17% per annum. Now let's go back to my screen to see some information you need to know before investing in this saving bond opportunity. So as you can see on my screen, this is a mail I got from Investor 2.0 at exactly 1:37 p.m. and you can see invest as low as 5,000 naira in the May 2025 FGN Savings Bond offer and earn 2 to 3 years at 16.173% and 17.173%. That's the 3 years 17.1373, and you can see all the information down here. It's now open and it's open from today being the 5th of May through the 9th of May, that's on Friday. And you can see that you can see the settlement dates on the May 14th. That's when they are going to, the CNCN will send your money and your subscription will start counting. And your coupon payment is on August. You're getting your first payment this year, August 14th, November 14th, February 14th next year, and May 14th. That's if you invest in this May saving bond opportunity. Now you can see that the minimum is 5,000 naira. They give you information about the savings bond and how to invest. Now before you invest, you must have gotten your CSCS number and your CHN number because they'll be asking you all this information while you are filling the form. The next thing you need to do is to fund your wallet. By funding your wallet, you need to send an amount to Investor 2.0, your dashboard. And once, for instance, you're investing 100,000 naira, you need to send it on your dashboard. And once you are now filling the form, you must have taken a screenshot of your payment. And once you fill the form, they will now debit it from your wallet on Investor 2.0. I'll be dropping a link in the comment section so that if you are using Investor 2.0, you can invest in this saving bond opportunity. But if you are not using Investor 2.0 as your investment or your brokerage company, I would not advise you to follow that link to invest in the saving bond. Go ahead to message the customer service for your brokerage company and ask them where is the link that you can use to invest in saving bond opportunity. The link I'll be sending today is just exclusive to Investor 2.0 users. You can come down to see that now to complete the form, you have to fill out all the information there. And once I click on the information, once I click here, I would see the information I need. But before then, you must have downloaded the form that you fill to invest in the saving bond opportunity. There is a form where you have to input all the information you want to give in to Investor to invest in this saving bond. Now you can see that the FGN Savings Bond for the month of May. So once I click on start, I'll now start filling the form. I have done a live video on how I go about filling this form to invest in the savings bond opportunity. So you can check out that video to go about investing on your own in the savings bond opportunity. It's very easy. You don't really need an assistant from anybody. Once you watch the video, it's a step-by-step process on how to go about investing in savings bond. Once you are done watching the video, you can invest on your own and start getting some payment. So the savings bond opportunity is a good investment, I advise, if you have money to invest in it. Now if you want to ask me my take on investing in FGN Savings Bond, I'll say it's a good investment because of it's a low risk investment. You don't really have to worry if you lose your fund. No, the FGN Savings Bond opportunity is very low risk. So once you invest, you are sure you are going to get your interest being paid and your capital being paid after your 2 to 3 years duration, depending on which one you choose. But one thing I'll tell you is that once you put your money there, you cannot be able to withdraw your money. Let's say you put 100,000 naira there, until your expiration date, until that your investment matures, you cannot be able to withdraw your capital of 100,000 naira, but you'll be able to withdraw your interest. In fact, once you just subscribe in the savings bond opportunity, they'll be sending your interest to your bank account directly. They are not sending it to your AfriInvestor 2.0 wallet. They are sending it to your bank account directly, and you get the payment. So these are the things you need to know as regards the saving bond opportunity for the month of May. As regards the interest rate, I'll say it's a bit low. Why I invested last year, sometimes it was about 18%, but I discovered that they have stepped down a bit to about 17% for 3 years tenure and 16% for 2 years tenure. Probably the inflation rate has been going down also. The higher the inflation rate, the higher the interest rate. So I would say if you want to invest, it's the right time to invest. You can invest with as low as 5,000 naira and 10,000 naira and get started earning some interest from the federal government of Nigerian Savings Bond. If you have more questions, drop it in the comment section. I'll do also reply all your comments. Don't forget to like this video, because by you liking this video, YouTube pushes it out to other persons to watch it, because they see that the video is beneficial to everybody out there. Don't also forget to subscribe to this channel as we keep bringing you ways to go about making some cash online. Till next one, peace.